Hi guys, I'm Megan Brightwood and welcome back to my channel. So this week is going to just be crazy for me because my daughter is turning 2 years old tomorrow. I can't even believe that it's been that long. But yeah, this past weekend we brought her down to the Mall of America to particularly go see the aquarium, but then we also took her to Legoland and she loves blocks, so that was a lot of fun for her. And then we walked through Nickelodeon Universe. We didn't really go on anything, but we did check it out. Had lunch. We went to the American Girl store and oh my goodness, she was so excited. She loves her baby dolls. And so when we walked into that store, her eyes were like saucers. It was amazing. She loved it. We didn't get anything because she's 2 and those dolls are expensive. But at some point, I'm sure I will be getting her one. So yeah, that is our big thing that's going on. But today I actually wanted to do a knit crate unboxing because I got my January knit crates. And so I have the main crate here, and then I also have a sock crate. So the big difference between the two crates is that the main crate comes with 2 skeins of yarn and the sock crate comes with 1. They do both come with a like a little magazine to show the patterns and talk about the designers, the yarn, all of that. It's really, really cool. This is actually the one from last month. So it's the theme was inspirations. It was really cool. I really liked it, and I'm gonna go over the patterns that were in that. But yeah, I'm really excited about this one because at least according to the back of this magazine, the theme was going to be Sleepy New Year. So I'm really excited to see what that looks like. There's the kind of inspiration board if you can see it. But like I said, before I get into that, I did want to talk about the projects that I made this last month. So the first one that I'm going to show you is the cowl that I'm wearing right now. It's called Breaks in the Lines by Tina Say. And so that is a picture of what it looks like, and it is of course what I'm wearing right now. It was made out of Vitalana, what was it? Vitalana Heathered Chunky. It's a 100% Peruvian Highland wool, and this is the colorway Black Cherry. There were, I think, 2 other colorways. 3 other colorways. There was Blue Spruce, Clementine, and Triple Luxe. I don't know what Triple Luxe looked like. The Clementine was like an orange, and the Blue Spruce is actually that one right there. Isn't that pretty? I love it. This particular yarn is a little bit scratchy, but it's definitely like that thick, chunky yarn and super cozy. So yeah, I really like this. And then the other main knit crate pattern was a crochet pattern. And let me see if I can find it so that you crocheters out there can see what it looks like. Where is it? Oh, there. So what is this one called? This is the Snow Bonnet, and it looks like that. Let me see if I can find a better picture. I think that there's another one in here. Let's see, page 12. Sometimes I will do the crochet patterns, but I am typically a knitter, so let's see. Okay, so the Snow Bonnet was by Abby Swanson of the Firefly Hook, and there's another picture of it there. So yeah, very pretty, but like I said, I'm a knitter, can't help it. So then I also did the socks, and those were Holiday Candy by Mila Vayner, and those ones look like that. They actually have 2 different ways that you can do this sock. So you could have one sock fully this color and one sock fully the lighter color. So one burgundy, one red, and then how did that go? I don't remember because these I actually made for my mom and she wanted them in this pattern. So yeah, that is what I did for her. So that's what they look like. They're really, really cool and really pretty easy because even this pattern here is just knits and purls in a particular design. So it looks a lot cooler than the work that's put into it. The one thing that does always kind of make me nervous is that it had an afterthought heel, which I love afterthought heels. I think that they're really, really comfy. Your heel just kind of slips in, but they are scary to do. So yeah, really like how they turned out though. And I showed my mom, she's really excited, and I bet she can't wait for me to finish this video so that I deliver these to her. So yeah, those are the holiday candy socks. And that yarn was also available in 2 different colorways. So that one is in holly, I think. Yes, that colorway is holly. And then there was also a honey and jam, and that one looked like that. So yeah, a ton of fun different options, I guess. So now that we've gone through the past projects, let's take a look at what is in these new ones. So I'm pretty sure that this top one must be the main knit crate because it's bulging. And I know that there are 2 skeins of yarn in the main crate. So let's take a look. Yep, there are definitely 2 skeins in there. Ooh, that's a pretty color, isn't it? It's kind of a caramel toffee sort of brown. And this one is a Vitalana as well. Let's see what it is. This is an ambient worsted yarn, and it's in the colorway Whiskey. So once again, it's that 100% Peruvian Highland wool. I don't know, I really think that's pretty. I love that color. And I've been gravitating more, I wonder if it's just because I'm ready for spring, but I've been wanting to wear a lot more like whites and light colors for my main part of the outfit. So yeah, I think that this would go well with anything white. And then let's check out what pattern goes with this. So here we go. This is the little magazine for this month. And let's see if we can find the knit and crochet patterns in here, huh? Okay. So I think that this is, yeah, this must be the knit pattern. It's called Shift by Jen. Okay, this is gonna get me confused. Is it Giggly or Geigly? Okay, there's an E and an I, and that is what confuses me. So anyway, that is the pattern there. I think it's really, really pretty. It's kind of got all sorts of stuff going on, doesn't it? Some garter stitch, some, it almost looks like brioche, doesn't it? Right here. I can't tell. They've got another picture of it on the front. So that's what I'm looking at if you're wondering. But yeah, I think that's really, really pretty, and I'm kind of excited to take a look at that. So then let's see if we can find the crochet pattern. The crochet oh, that's interesting. Okay, so the crochet pattern is Embrace by Tanya Bush, and it's a cuff. Isn't that cool? I have 0 use for a cuff, especially since I do have a toddler and I need my hands free at any given moment. But how cool is that? I've never seen like a cuff pattern. Maybe I just haven't looked for it, but that's really cool. I like that. Okay, so that is the main crate. Let's take a look at the sock crate. I'm gonna keep this particular magazine out because it does have both patterns in it. And let's take a look here. That's kind of hard to see, isn't it? Peel that back. Ooh, that is pretty. It's kind of like a robin's egg. Ooh, I like that. So this is Vitalana Ambient Sock in the colorway Robin's Promise. So yeah, right on with the color name. Love that. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty. So this one is 80% Peruvian Highland wool and 20% nylon, which is kind of nice for socks. So yeah, let's take a look at the pattern for this. I think I'm gonna like it just based on the color though. So can we find it? Ooh, that is super pretty. This is Winter Light by Laura Phelan Staker. And they look like that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, I am so excited for that. I had told my mom that I was gonna try making her more socks because I've got plenty, but these ones are staying with me, so sorry mom. Anyway, yeah, that is the sock crate and knit crate membership from January. I am so excited to start working on these, and if you are interested in seeing what the patterns look like all made up and everything, I'm gonna try and start putting them on my Instagram. And then I will also be showing them in next month's Knit Crate unboxing, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, I'm going to get going and break out my needles, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!